Hello mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga ka-Truples!
Hello mga ka-Chuples at kasama natin si Ma'am Ann.
Hi! Hi po! Hi everyone!
Ma'am, ano pala yung pinaka-history or short na dito ma'am sa Takoyaki?
Short story, okay. Our business started during the pandemic. When everyone was at home and craving something delicious and new. Tapos on a random day lang talaga na napag-isipan to. And then, ang ginawa namin is through Lalamove Delivery para ma-deliver sa houses nila since hindi makalabas lahat ng mga tao that time, di ba? And then yon, after that, nag-decide kami mag-open up ng commissary located in Tomas Morato kasi hindi na namin ma-handle yung order sa bahay. So, kailangan namin humanap ng mas malaking space para ma-cater namin yung orders nila. Tapos, nagkaroon kami ng walk-in and pick-up. Tapos, still continued delivering through Lalamove. After that, nung medyo na-build na namin si Go Takoyaki, nag-decide kami na mag-open up ng first dine-in store located in Panay, in Timog. That's it. Mas nakilala yung yung business. Yun. Tapos ngayon, which led us to open a franchise. Yeah. That's it.
Then ma'am, sa ngayon ma'am, ano na yung current numbers na nakapag-franchise or operating na ma'am?
Okay. As of now, we have 3 branches po. Tapos, yung nagka-franchise, kasi bago lang namin pinasok yung franchising. So ano pa rin, owned pa rin yung mga branch na meron kami.
Then, Ma'am Kat, please invite naman po. Ay, Ma'am Ann.
Okay. We're inviting you to visit our booth located in E48 here at Franchise Asia Expo. Thank you!
Hello mga ka-Chuples at ngayon ay day 2 ng Franchise Asia at kasama natin si Ma'am Kat.
Hello, good afternoon!
And Ma'am Kat, regarding po pala dito sa event na to is ano pala yung booth nyo or ano yung rin-represent nyo ngayon ma'am?
We're representing our Go Takoyaki. Currently, itong cart namin is for event lang pero we're offering cart type and then kiosk.
Then ma'am, sa ganito ma'am is magkano pala kapag mag-avail sila? Yung pinakamababa ma'am hanggang sa max?
For our minimum, we have 650,000. That's all included, all in na po yun. And then, for our kiosk type, we have 750,000. And then, for our Franchise Asia Expo, we have promo, exclusive lang dito sa expo na to. We have 100,000 less.
Then ma'am, regarding po pala sa event na to ma'am, if ever pala na hindi sila makapunta, may mga upcoming events po ba or wala pa ma'am?
Currently, wala pa kami upcoming event pero we have free consultation and if ever they're interested, they can visit our main branch in Panay. Currently, we have 3 branches. Panay Avenue, Quezon City, Santa Lucia Mall, and then Vertis North. And then they can also visit our office located in San Juan Green Hills.
Then ma'am, para sa mga curious lang, ano pala yung pinaka-best seller nyo sa inyong ma'am, Takoyaki ma'am?
For our best seller, si Baby Octopus. Whole Baby Octopus siya, hindi tinipid. For our unique selling, we have 7 fillings and then 8 toppings. Unlike traditional takoyaki, no, cabbage, carrot. Pero unlike us, loaded talaga yung takoyaki namin.
Then syempre ma'am, yung iba is ang concern nila kung hindi sila within Luzon, kunwari gusto nila mag-avail pero nasa Visayas or Mindanao sila. Pwede po ba yung ganun ma'am na setup or sa Luzon lang kayo nakafocus ma'am?
As of now, we're focusing in Metro Manila but we have plans naman to expand, no?
Then ma'am, please invite naman po sa ating mga viewers po ma'am if ever na gusto nilang pumunta at interested sila sa inyo ma'am.
Hello, future franchisees. You can visit us at booth E48 here in Franchise Asia Expo. We have exclusive promo, less 100,000. Thank you.
Then ma'am, contact number or FB page ma'am, just in case na may mga other concerns sila ma'am.
For our Facebook page, they can search Go Takoyaki, and then for Instagram, go.takoyaki.
Once again, thank you ma'am Kat.
Thank you.
Hello mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos! Hello mga kachupos! Kamusta kayo?
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Franchise Asia. Kasama natin